Now let us discuss about the Kirchhoff's law. So Kirchhoff's law. Now let us discuss the definition of Kirchhoff law and how the Kirchhoff law will work, and what is the definition, and how we derive an equation for the Kirchhoff's law. So in this Kirchhoff's law, so let us discuss the what is meant by Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law is nothing but first one. So the algebraic sum of currents, the algebraic sum of currents current meeting at any point is 0. Okay, this is the definition for it, and now let us discuss a example for it. So first one is in our daily life we have to see one junction boxes, like this junction box contains I1 first, and it will be divided into different type of ways. So these are different type of directions: I2, I3, I4, I5. so I1 will be converted into I2, I3, I4, I5. so let us write a formula for it. So sum of these all current and this current is equals to 0. Okay na? Sum of this current will be flows here, and this coming will be goes, and this will be releases. So sum of these currents are equals to this current. So first one, I1 is equals to I2, I3 plus I4 plus I5. So this is the statement for this example. So this is statement for sum of these coming into the junction and going into the junction is equals to 0. So here junction is this is now. So coming in this junction, and these are points which are going from the junction. So this is the junction, and which are going from the junction. These are equals to 0. So these are equals to 0. It means sum. So I1 plus sum of these. It means from this formula sum of coming. So these are equals to these now. So from this equation you have to write as, so from this side it will be, as per equation it comes from left to right, it becomes plus is equals to minus I2 minus I3 minus I4. Next minus I5, and that is equals to 0. This is the statement of the Kirchhoff's law. So totally I1 minus I2 minus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equals to 0. This is the statement of Kirchhoff's law as per this diagram. And different type of junctions have different type. If we take one junction, some currents are, so this is the junction, these are some currents of direction. So let's assume some are coming and some are going, and let's name it I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. So let us write an equation for it. So sum of currents as per Kirchhoff's law, sum of current coming into the loop, sum of currents coming into the loop is equals to sum of current going from the loop, or sum of those currents is equals to 0. So as per our formula, sum of current coming into the loop and sum of current going into the loop is equals to 0 now. So how much current is coming and that much of current will be going. So as per formula, so let us see coming of currents I1, and next to I3, and next one I5 is equals to next one sum of going of current, so going from the junction. So this is I2 plus I2 is going, and next I4 is going, and next I6 is going, and next I7 is going. So this is the formula for this situation. So write as one side now. So as per formula, I1 plus I3 plus I5, and as per this, these total will be comes to the left side. So this is equals to minus I2 minus I4 minus I6 minus I7 is equals to 0. So this is the Kirchhoff's last statement. So it depends on the formula and it depends on diagram which we have choose and which is the coming in the examination. So totally our formula, our definition is the algebraic sum of currents meeting at any point is equals to 0. This is the Kirchhoff's law. Okay, thank you.